What do you think that is?
Oh! Hey guys, it's Geojerry here, and it is December 31st, the last day of 2017. And what else am I going to do today? Go geocaching, of course. I want you guys to go along with me. We're going to go see if we can track down some geocaches on December 31st, the last day of the year. And guess what? It's my birthday too. That's right, it's my birthday, and I'm going to go geocaching. And I want you guys, my friends, to come along. So let's go do this. Let's go find some geocaches.
You found it yet?
Nope.
What do you think that is? What do you think that is?
Oh, geocache.
Did you find it yet?
No.
What do you think that is?
Oh! Alright guys, this is my very last geocache for the day on my birthday because I got birthday things to do on this New Year's Eve. Hey, do me a favor. Subscribe. My face will be right up in this corner up here, so make sure you subscribe when you see it. Also, give me a thumbs up. You know what? Thumbs up for the end of the year and thumbs up for the brand new year. Thanks. I better go find this geocache because I'm running out of time here. Oh, look at this story thing. Woo.
Have you found it yet?
No.
No?
No.
What do you think that is?
Oh, it's the geocache.